Hello everyone, good morning to you all. Today, once again, I am with another video, and this video today I have made for you is regarding the human anatomy. This is as in the series of learning apps, I am suggesting you another app today, and this app is Organs 3D Anatomy by Unity. You can download this app from Play Store. It's a very short, very small app, but very useful, as you will see in the video. And you can see the 3D anatomy of human body. You can rotate this entire structure with your finger motion, and you will be able to select a particular organ and its functions, its how it is functioning in the body. For example, I can select the heart, you can see, and if you select, you can see the menu on the two strips on top above this model, like full view, digestive system, respiratory system, the brain, reproductive and urinary system, and heart. For example, I have selected respiratory system, so this entire structure will appear, and you can again learn that how the respiratory system works. You can see the from the nose till this thoracic diaphragm. You can see the entire structure, and here you can understand the functioning, and you can also see the animations. Like there is a button on the top. You can see show animation. Just click over it, and you will be able to see the animation. This how we breathe. You can see the lungs squeezing and expanding. Okay, so this is how it works. And again, we can select another thing like heart. I have selected. So if I click on the show animation button, I can see the animation of the heart, and I can rotate it with my fingers like this. Yes, you can see every part of it, and you can also enlarge it to watch it clearly. You can zoom in or zoom out. Again, I can see the brain, and I can see the digestive system. You can see this is liver, then stomach, then intestines, large intestine, small intestine, and everything. So this is very useful app for you, for students, especially those who are aspiring to become doctors or to pursue the medical fields. So this app may help them to understand, or may help them to create their interest, or gain their interest into the human anatomy, and maybe they get interested or they get fascinated out of it. So all the best.